Um,
Mm.
After COVID, you know, a lot of people really, I mean, that challenged their belief system beyond. You know, you could nothing had happened to a lot of people that traumatic in their entire life,
Mm.
especially families that lost
Mhm.
loved ones
Yeah.
or lost friends,
Mm.
and those people are having a hard time healing.
Yeah.
And you have to be real careful because uh, their belief was really, really, really challenged. And whenever I meet people like that, and they start in, I said, "Well, now, okay, you can do whatever you want, but do not blame God. You
No.
can't do that. You've
God.
got to, you've got to. That's the source of your healing." And they won't argue with you, but some of them will not give up on their God has dealt them a bad hand. But I'm not arguing with that because I don't. I mean, I lost people in COVID that I was friends with, that I worked with. It was very, very, very difficult. But it's not as difficult for me because I know that they're in a better place, and I know that.